Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your card on CGC. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a CGC slab card, for example, this here. How do you actually go ahead and find it on CGC? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first thing that you want to do is go to cgc-grading.com/en-us/verify. And to be honest, it's actually a lot easier to simply just type in CGC cert lookup. So if you Google CGC cert lookup, click on the first link, and you're going to be taken to this page here. Next, we're going to click on CGC certified card, and then you want to type in the certification number. So the certification number is this number right on top here. So type that number in, and once we type that number in, you can see that the card gets pulled up. So do make sure that you type in the correct number because you want to make sure that your card gets pulled up. If you incorrectly type any of the numbers wrong, your card is not going to pull up. So as you can see, this is the Alakazam EX, Special Art Rare, Holo, Pristine 10. And this is the card that we have at hand. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and look up your card on CGC. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.